I got this.
What are you doing?
Just a small leak, don't worry about it.
Hey Dave, what you doing over there?
It's just a small leak.
Remember what happened last time?
There we go. All right. I think I just about got it. See you later, neighbor.
Hey, how you doing?
What are you doing here?
Your wife called this out.
I don't know why she called you. I have this handled. I guess since you're here, fine, you can go for it.